This is Dennis Daly with L. David Mark's 101 Epic Events That Shaped Human History. Constantinople. Back in a moment. The year is 1453. Constantinople, now known as Istanbul, falls to an army of Ottoman Turks led by Sultan Mehmed II, ending the Byzantine Roman Empire in the east. Although this capital is one of the most heavily fortified cities in the world, it falls after a siege of 50 days, marking the end of the last remnant of the once mighty Roman Empire, an empire that lasted for more than 1,500 years. After the capture of Constantinople, the Sultan renames the city Istanbul and makes it the capital of the Ottoman Empire, one that lasted for more than 6 centuries, ending only in 1923, following the Turkish War of Independence. Now it's Istanbul, another of L. David Mark's 101 Epic Events That Changed History. I'm Dennis Daly.